Neiko munotenderera panzvimbo kungeseko Neiko imimi muneiko muzvikombe yana wakwa jakwa Michael.
Okay. Ninja Kid staragano the Shelton. See me? Shelton Jake Marsh. See me? That's Ninja Kid. Ida kulo shtungiza mda maizeni. Second side. See me? Unit N. Go ndaka kuli na maizeni. And then go my home. See me? Second side. Straight. When I was still in high school, I think that was 2012, but so I was still full time. See me? Tembo ita chinozazo mbo maizera tombo dzokera chikoro, bombo yimbo, bombo dai. And music is my full-time job. See me? It's my full-time job. See me? So, yeah man, you're done.
Neiko imimi muneiko muzvikombe yana wakwa jakwa Michael. Neiko pfungwa dzenyu dzakatomoka muri psycho. Neiko panoitwa zvemangoma muri dzakwaito. Neiko vakurwisana ndavabvunza why you fight though. Neiko icon kunokuti notodefenda yedu title. Neiko varikurwisana ndavabvunza why you fight though. Neiko kunokuti nova mamisa kunge Tyson. Vane moyo yakasviba dzito ngavambonogeza netito mugemu voridza mapito wakuda kurefura chiko ngavamedza firi chikakule vadzikame muketwa yasvikana nababa fanike ame nyerere ndobatanidza kona kunge kwame mosala pamangoma vakabvunza mane pari kuti Neiko
unoti chimuindustry medula unamwafana vamofindoti vane power over everything because vangopi wakali to push namwe madhara vanokatoisa madhara vasiri madhara waiziva so ndo vanechibvunzo kuti muneiko muri kungotenderera pasemuseko simi because we have been there before. There's nothing new in this industry done, so ufane kuyo vada kudodzira wakasvika ndiri muindustry waiziva ndo vandotoudza vafane kuti muri waziva vafane vacho munenge mafane. I dropped my first album, but in 2016, but that's the professional album. See me? I dropped my first album in 2016. Right to Tangerai Papo. Then 2018, I dropped an EP. It runs Heart Attack. Then 2020 now, I'm dropping an album. I runs Fumo, and this one is my first professional album. So I will just say that in a one album professional. You see me? Straight. Nana Asindara, man, I'm still a ninja. See me? But we're dropping Ninja King. We're dropping Ninja King, guys. It's time to go to ninja. I am a ninja. I'm a ninja. I am a bandit. If I'm a bandit, I am a mafia wiser. So, Kuzviti Ninja Kid was not because of intelligence. Instead of Ninja Kid, I had to go to Jamaica. So, I used to be big fan of Ninja Man. I did my steam. So, Pandai ended up to Chukoro. That's why I'm not saying this a Ninja Man. So, I'm Chukoro, I'm going to we're going to Ninja Kid. See me? So, yeah, man, you're done. Walipa challenges Kimbo, see me? Walipa challenges. My challenges I'm trying to even kuma promoters, see me? Because now we don't even know the real promoters. Because they are just people who just want to suck my fan base. I'm my artist, see me? So mazwano kane manage the masters. You see me? My challenges are too sangana now because muna no ya achitu prize out. Dine zvakati chazoita zvakati iye munhu zvake pane zvaakutoda pauri. See me? And amwe machallenges atinawo futi bad mind. See me? Our industry is full of only bad mind people. See me? Amwe maartist acho anokwanisa kutondokuvharira kuti hamufane musamuridza mufana anenge akuda kukura musoro mufana mudai so mufana. So even my DJs are, you see me not trust no man right now, dog. Me no need no man, no trust no man. Straight.
Neiko munotenderera panzvimbo kungeseko Neiko imimi muneiko mozvikombe yana wakwa jakwa Michael